transforming destructive habits on your spiritual journey. Identifying and acknowledging your destructive habits is the first crucial step towards personal growth. It requires honesty and courage to confront these behaviors head-on. Recognizing them allows you to take responsibility and sets the stage for meaningful change. Understanding the root cause of these habits is vital. Through introspection or journaling, you delve deeper into your psyche, uncovering the triggers and underlying issues. This process of self-discovery is enlightening and serves as the foundation for transformation. Setting clear, achievable goals is imperative for changing each habit. These goals provide direction and a sense of purpose. They should be specific, measurable, and realistic, ensuring a roadmap to success that motivates and guides you through the journey of change. Replacing destructive habits with positive ones aligns your actions with your spiritual goals. This shift involves adopting behaviors that promote well-being, happiness, and fulfillment. It's about creating a new narrative for your life that reflects who you truly want to be. Incorporating a daily routine that includes mindfulness or meditation is transformative. It cultivates a state of awareness and presence, allowing you to remain centered and balanced. This practice is a powerful tool in maintaining focus on your journey towards spiritual and personal growth. Seeking support from a spiritual community or mentor can provide invaluable guidance and encouragement. These connections offer a sense of belonging and understanding, helping you navigate the journey toward breaking destructive habits with wisdom and compassion. Maintaining a journal as you embark on this transformative journey serves as a powerful tool for reflection and progress tracking. It allows you to observe patterns, celebrate victories, and learn from setbacks, making the process of change more tangible and manageable. Incorporating self-compassion and forgiveness into your practice is crucial, especially during setbacks. Recognizing that the path to change is a process that involves both progress and occasional slips can foster resilience and a kinder self-relationship, which are essential for long-term transformation. Visualization techniques serve as a powerful mental rehearsal tool, enabling you to vividly imagine your life free from destructive habits. This practice can boost your motivation and confidence, making your goals feel more attainable and real. Adding physical activity into your daily routine does more than just strengthen the body, it also enhances spiritual well-being. Exercise can act as a positive outlet for stress and frustration, helping you to maintain balance and focus on your journey toward overcoming destructive habits. Learning to manage stress without resorting to destructive habits is crucial in our journey towards self-improvement. Identifying healthy outlets, such as exercise or creative hobbies, can redirect the energy usually spent on negative habits towards something more constructive and fulfilling. Reading spiritual or motivational literature serves as a beacon of light during times of darkness. It not only offers guidance and wisdom but also reminds us that we're not alone in our struggles. This practice keeps us aligned with our higher purpose and inspired to persevere. Practicing gratitude shifts our focus from what's lacking to the abundance that surrounds us. By acknowledging and appreciating the small wins and blessings in our lives, we cultivate a positive mindset. This perspective encourages a ripple effect of positivity, influencing our actions and reactions. Limiting exposure to triggers that lead to destructive behaviors is a preventative strategy that safeguards our progress. Understanding what environments or situations evoke these habits allows us to create boundaries. This proactive approach helps in maintaining the integrity of our journey towards betterment. Cultivating patience is essential as change is a gradual process. Recognizing that every step forward is a victory, no matter how small, fosters resilience. This mindset helps us to stay committed to our goals, even when the path becomes challenging. Engaging in volunteer work can profoundly shift your perspective from self-centered concerns to a broader focus on community and service. This altruistic activity not only enriches the lives of others but also fosters a sense of purpose and fulfillment within oneself. It's a powerful way to break free from destructive habits by replacing them with acts of kindness and generosity. Affirmations serve as a daily reminder of your strength and ability to change. By positively affirming your goals and the person you aspire to become, you build a foundation of self-belief and motivation. This mental practice reinforces your resolve, making it easier to let go of habits that no longer serve you. Exploring different spiritual practices opens up a world of possibilities for personal transformation. Whether it's meditation, yoga, or prayer, finding a practice that resonates with you can provide the spiritual nourishment needed to support your journey of change. This exploration can lead to profound insights and a deeper connection with your inner self. Attending workshops or seminars on personal and spiritual growth can be incredibly enlightening. These gatherings offer a wealth of knowledge and tools for self-improvement, and also connect you with a community of like-minded individuals. The shared experience of learning and growing together can be a powerful catalyst for change. Detoxing from digital and social media is a crucial step towards reclaiming your focus and reducing the urge to compare yourself with others. By limiting your screen time, you create more space in your life for activities that nourish your soul and support your spiritual journey. This detox can lead to greater peace of mind and a more centered presence in the world. Dedicating time for silence and solitude is a profound way to connect with your inner self. This practice allows you to listen to your deeper truths and wisdom, fostering a stronger, more intimate connection with who you truly are. Celebrating milestones and progress, no matter how small, is crucial in maintaining motivation on your journey. Each celebration reinforces your commitment to change and serves as a reminder of the strength and resilience you possess, propelling you forward with renewed vigor. The more you commit to learning from every experience, the more you will find the determination to keep moving towards the change you want to see. Keep going and don't give up. Subscribe and give this video a like to support the channel and show you want to see more videos on this topic. Share your experiences in the comments to share this space and learn from with like-minded people.